Alright YouTubers, this is GeoJAW Mapping Solutions with another tutorial. Um, Today's tutorial is going to be on once you order your GeoJAW map package, you're going to receive a downloadable email link. It'll have the link for you to click on and download your maps. And then the big question is, well, hey, how do we get our maps from the computer to our handheld device? Well, that's what this tutorial is going to do. It'll work for both iOS and Android. I'm currently an Android user, but I will chime in when iOS becomes an issue. We'll first let's pretend our email link has come in, and it'll be a WeTransfer link. And we're going to click on that, and you'll see SOWINS36@cox.net sent you some files. You'll see the Scout Pro Media. This is also a side business of mine. It's what I use to transfer media files. So you will, it'll be a heads up that your GeoJAW map package will come from WeTransfer. Go ahead and read the little introduction. It'll have your name there. Please find and close this download link for your GeoJAW map package. Make sure all files are downloaded. It will include a PDF, how to, an executable .msi Windows software package. That's what you're going to use to view your map package on your Windows computer or laptop. It will also include the GeoJAW map.cmf file and a small README text file that I suggest you read first before you just start clicking on all your files. Allow some time for the download to complete. Once downloaded, unzip the files to a directory on your computer and read the ZZ README first file link. So here's the download link. Tells you what 4 files are in there. So if you don't have 4 files or the correct number of files once download is complete, start the download link again. If it doesn't work again, send me an email and I will resend a uncorrupted download link. So we'll go ahead and click on this. Okay, you'll see you'll come to a Scout Pro Media Solutions link, and here's all your files and your note again. You would click on the download all. We're not going to do that right at this time, because as soon as I click on download all, you'll get a progress circle right here, and it'll be a countdown. Okay, and once complete, this little section will tell you download files are complete. Or where do your download files go once you do anything on the internet? Well, they go to your downloads folder. So on your Windows Explorer, which is the Windows to your computer, go to your downloads link and look for that folder, which will be, in my case, you can see I made a GeoJAW map package test. Yours will be your name plus GeoJAW map package. Okay, so I'm going to go in there. Boom, there's all my files, my 4 files. I have 4 files. Okay, so we're going to click on the README. It's just a basic how-to. If you want to read, a lot of it's self-explanatory. Install the CarryMap Windows Companion software. So what you want to do is come to this CarryMap MSI, double click on that, and like any Windows software, it'll prompt you through a very short, small loading of the software. When you're done, if you get any warning from Windows, this is not a Windows proper app. It'll be a black dialog. Click on the allow button that's gray in text, and it will load the software. And then you can see over here on my left, it's the butterfly CarryMap icon. If it's not on your screen, this is an older version of Windows, but if you're Windows 7 or 10, just come down here and go to All Programs, find the Data East carry map icon and drag it to your home screen, and you'll have a link for your Windows compatible software. We will have a separate YouTube tutorial on the Windows carry map software, so just be on the lookout for that. So once again, we'll go back to our Windows Explorer. We will go to number 1 of the README. If you have a Dropbox or Google Drive account, great. If you don't, set one up. You'll need one in order to get your map files on your device. Self-explanatory. If you're not sure how to do this, there are a ton of tutorials online on how to set up a Dropbox and Google Drive account. I'm using Google Drive. So the next step would be to upload the carry map, which is the .cmf extension, which, as you see from my sample test, is the Natchez State Park .cmf. It's a GeoJAW map of Natchez State Park in Mississippi, Natchez to be exact. Once you upload it to your Google Drive or Dropbox account, you can go ahead and open your carry map app on your handheld, and this will kind of show you how to get it on there, in which I already have a video coming on how to load your GeoJAW map in your carry map app. It's a mouthful, but anyway. So there's your 4 files. You have a manual that'll help you get started. Download the maps first. Visit Google Play or iOS Store and get the basic carry map app. There are 2 carry map apps. One's an Observer and one is just carry map. Download the Butterfly carry map one. Okay, for Android devices, for iOS, got some basic functionality and how-tos here. iOS users notes, CMF file statement, basic what the buttons do of the app. You can read through that. Again, I have a tutorial on that on my GeoJAW YouTube channel. Check that out. Okay, so what we do now. Okay, I've downloaded these, right? They're on my computer. What do we need to do now? Get it to Dropbox or your Google Drive account. Come to the internet. I've opened my Google Drive account. I am signed in. Make sure you sign in. You go to My Drive. It's just a place with your folders. I have mine organized. Okay? Mine is going to be under, I would suggest you make a folder and call it GeoJAW Maps, and you can upload your maps from the computer to that GeoJAW map folder on either your Google Drive account or your Dropbox account. Okay, so mine's going to be under Mapping, and go to Maps. Okay, nope, we're going to go to wrong place. It's on the carry map. There's my maps. There's my CMFs. Okay, so I actually have the Natchez State Park map in here, but if you don't know how to do this, what you would do is you can either drag and drop your map files, just copy them and drag and drop, or you can go to, I always drag and drop my stuff in Google Drive. So the best thing to do is, just kind of bring up your windows and highlight that and drag and drop them. Drop files to instantly upload them, and then wait for that to complete. Once that is complete, they are now in the cloud, and they'll be in your Google Drive or Dropbox account. And that's basically it. Okay, you are 3/4 of the way getting them onto your handheld device. I suggest clicking on the next tutorial, which I'll put in the upper right or in the comment section below, on how to load a GeoJAW map into the app and get the map from Google Drive or Dropbox onto your handheld device. Once again, thank you very much for your time, and we will be back.